Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and tricks for leading a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to lose weight quickly. If you have been struggling to shed those extra pounds and are looking for effective strategies, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will share 5 proven methods that can help you achieve your weight loss goals in no time. So let's dive right in. Segment 1: Setting clear goals. Before embarking on any weight loss journey, it's crucial to set clear and realistic goals. Take a moment to reflect on why you want to lose weight and what you hope to achieve. Whether it's improving your overall health, boosting your confidence, or fitting into your favorite pair of jeans, having a clear vision will keep you motivated throughout the process. Segment 2: Balanced diet. A balanced diet plays a vital role in losing weight quickly. Instead of resorting to crash diets or extreme measures, focus on nourishing your body with wholesome and nutritious foods. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. And remember, portion control is key. By eating smaller, more frequent meals, you'll keep your metabolism active and avoid unnecessary snacking. Segment 3: Regular exercise. To accelerate your weight loss journey, regular exercise is essential. Engage in activities that you enjoy, such as walking, jogging, cycling, or dancing. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, 5 days a week. Remember, staying consistent is key. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts to challenge your body and achieve better results. Segment 4: Hydration and mindful eating. Hydration and mindful eating go hand in hand when it comes to weight loss. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day not only keeps you hydrated but also helps control cravings and reduces unnecessary snacking. Additionally, practicing mindful eating techniques, such as saving each bite, eating slowly, and listening to your body's hunger cues, can prevent overeating and promote weight loss. Segment 5: Support and accountability. Finally, surround yourself with a strong support system and seek accountability. Share your weight loss journey with friends, family, or even an online community. They can provide encouragement, motivation, and helpful tips. Consider tracking your progress through a journal or smartphone app, as it will keep you accountable and allow you to celebrate your achievements along the way. Conclusion: there you have it, 5 effective methods to help you lose weight quickly. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it's important to be patient and kind to yourself. By setting clear goals, following a balanced diet, engaging in regular exercise, practicing hydration and mindful eating, and seeking support and accountability, you're well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.